Today you're going to take the Common Quarterly Assessment, Part 1. The directions say to read the 3 texts, then answer the questions that follow. So there are 3 stories, one right after the other, and then there are questions afterward that cover all 3 stories. I cannot read to you the passages, but I can read the questions. For the first 6 questions, you'll use the happy man's shirt to answer the questions. 1. The word philosophers in paragraph 7 comes from the Greek word philos, which means loving, and sophos, which means wise. Therefore, a philosopher is a lover of people, B, lover of flattery, C, wise elder, D, lover of wisdom. 2. In paragraph 13, when the king says to the priest, I'm seeking a man who's happy just as he is, not one who's trying to better his lot, he means that A, people want what they cannot have, B, things and titles cannot bring a person happiness, C, he is happy with his own life, D, the search for love. 3. The prince and the neighboring king are alike because A, both seem to have everything they could want, but they are unhappy. B, both are in love, which makes them unhappy. C, both are worried about dying, which makes them unhappy. D, both are sad and do not know why. Number 4. The king decides this young man is truly happy. Give 2 pieces of evidence from the text that supports the king's conclusion. Write your answer in the answer document. That's the one that has all the lines. Leave number 4 on your bubble sheet blank. 5. The author uses dialogue. A, to establish the setting. B, to describe the prince as unhappy. C, to reveal the complicating incident. D, to show how the king tried to cheer up his son. 6. The story's ending is ironic because A, the happy man is not really happy, B, the wise men are proven right, C, the wise men learn a lesson, D, the shirt has been a symbol of happiness throughout the story. Use a story full of the stuff of sorrow to answer the following questions. 7. One message of A Story Full of the Stuff of Sorrow is that A, people have too many possessions. B, people should not buy anything but the essentials. C, happiness comes from having more than others do. D, happiness does not come from things. 8. This article is an example of A, explanatory writing, B, persuasive writing, C, descriptive writing, D, narrative writing. 9. The author notes that when shoppers learned that the man had been crushed to death by the mob, some people, A, took up a collection for his family, B, were upset that they had to quit shopping, C, did not believe it was true, D, fled the store in fear. 10. What is the author's purpose in writing A Story Full of the Stuff of Sorrow? Answer the question and give 1 piece of evidence from the story to support your answer. Write your answer in your answer document. 11. In paragraph 9, the answer uses rhetorical questions to show A, how vulnerable everyone is to mob psychology, B, that people generally don't value children, education, and faith as much as they say, C, how most people do not love their stuff, D. That everyone is responsible for the tragedy, not only the people in the crowd. 12. The author defines mob psychology as A. Things that you do, but that most people do not. B. Things everybody does. C. Things people do by themselves. D. Things people do because they are in a crowd. 13. The author says that the great lie of American consumerism is that A. Bigger and better things will make you happy. B. Advertising convinces consumers to buy. C. Spending money is good for the economy. D. Americans are born consumers. Use Good Samaritan saves crying woman's foreclosed home to answer the following questions. 14. Good Samaritan is a biblical reference that has become a common phrase for someone who A. faces a great need, B. loses a home, C. is a good person, D. helps a stranger. 15. Mock decides to help Or because she A. imagines how she would feel in that circumstance, B. expects to make money on the deal, C. has a lot of money to give away, D. is trying out for a reality TV show. Use all three passages to answer the following questions. 16. All three passages consider the value of A. friends, B. wealth, C. tradition, D. things. 17. The king from The Happy Man's Shirt and the shoppers from A Story Full of the Stuff of Sorrow are similar because A. both are wealthy, B. both are trying to save their children, C. both are trying to find happiness, D. both are insensitive to other people. 18. Support your answer for question 17 with a piece of evidence from each story. Write your answer in your answer document. 19. A Story Full of the Stuff of Sorrow and Good Samaritan Saves Crying Woman's Foreclosed Home both demonstrate how people treat a stranger. Are the main ideas of these stories alike or different? Write a claim to answer this question. Give 3 specific details from the stories to support your claim. Write your answer in your answer document.